friends, in this video let us see the unboxing of Borosil OTG 30-liter oven. The model number is Pro 30L. This oven has got functions like rotisserie as well as convection, which is perfect for grilling as well as for baking. Let us take it out of the box. It is not too heavy to lift. Let us see what is there in the box. So that's the accessory and nothing else in the box. We can keep the box aside. Now let us see the actual OTG. It has got a user manual and there is also a cookbook which is available inside. The cookbook will give you instruction regarding how to prepare the oven for various types of dishes. Let us have a closer look. That's a side profile. The top and the left side. So it has got ventilation on both the ends. The handle has got a brushed metal look. And there is also Borosil branding at the bottom, and it has also got the brushed metal look. On the right hand side there are 3 knobs totally. One is for time, another one is for function, and another one is for setting up the temperature. Let us have a closer look at the various types of function that can be set. The timer can be made to either stay in on position, or we can also set it in an automatic mode where it can go up to 60 minutes. We'll be able to see that the timer is set at an increment of 10 minutes, but you can also set it in between, and it is totally manual. And when it comes to the temperature, the maximum temperature it can reach is up to 230 degrees Celsius. The handle is made of bakelite material, so it will be always cool even when the OTG is functioning. Door is made of very good quality glass, and there is a hinge on one side. And it has also got 2 heating elements at the bottom and 2 more heating elements at the top. It has got vents to circulate the hot air, and that is the convection function, and rotisserie knob is also available on the right hand side, and a holder for rotisserie is available on the left hand side. The bulb is of 25 watts. The plug is a 16 amps plug, and it can support up to 250 volt, and the wire is of decent length. Along with the regular accessories, it also comes with a crumb tray which helps in cleaning the OTG very easily. Thanks for watching the video. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.